What up, you guys, and welcome back to another installment of As Told by Brittany D. And of course, I am Brittany D, and today I am back with another lock tutorial for you guys. And today's video is pretty special because it is a 2-for-1. Yes, I will be styling both of my babies' locks today. It's been a little minute since I styled their hair, and plus it's spring break and we're going to the zoo the next day, and so we gotta get them together. So of course I did wash and condition their hair off camera to save some time. Now I'm going to begin retwisting and styling. Of course I'm using my favorite product to retwist. It is the Loc'D gel. You guys have seen me use this product in many of my tutorials, and you know, ain't nothing changed. And so I'm just going to apply a generous amount onto his head and begin redefining those parts. So I'm just going to take my little comb and begin carving out those parts. Now, before you guys ask about my little comb, this is a double-sided edges brush. So one end is a comb and the other end is a brush, and of course I'm just using the comb end to retwist my son's locks. Now this was sent to me a while back, but you can find them at your local beauty supply store. Well, at least I know here in Georgia you can, but just in case, check your local beauty supply store. But you guys know I love saving time, and so I'm going to retwist this section off camera and be right back. Just like that, and boom. And so now that I have retwisted this section, I am just going to unravel and smooth some of these locks out so I can begin the styling. Now for today's style, I had no idea what I wanted to do with my son's locks. I knew I wanted to do some sort of braid style, as you can tell by the braid that I did off camera. And so I did one little thing, and I'm just going to show you guys. So of course you want to start off by doing a 2-strand twist, and please excuse my children in the background, but you want to 2-strand twist that lock all the way down, then begin pulling locks over and wrapping it around the 2-strand twist and holding it like so. So that's how I start the braid. Now I'm going to take the lock and take it under the twist, then wrap it over and then hold it in place. Then again, I'm going to take the lock from the other side, wrap it under the twist, and wrap it over, and then hold it in place. And you just want to repeat those steps over and over and over again until you reach your end point. But yes, we're just going to continue styling my son's hair. Now, when I usually style his hair, I would normally take the locks from the sides and pull them over instead of under the lock. But you know, I'm trying something new. I'm trying to experiment and, you know, just trying to do new things. And so I don't know if it made much of a difference, but you know, I'm just trying it anyway. Now we're towards the end of this barrel roll braid situation, and so we're just going to barrel roll this last lock around the ends, and then we're just going to secure it with a rubber band, and boom, there you go. We got 2 braids down, 1 more to go. So I'm going to go ahead and retwist this last section, and then I'm going to begin the fun part, which is the styling. And please excuse the lint in my son's locks. He's just one of them boys. He's a wild boy. What can I say?
Peace and love and R&B are loving here. There must be some pink clouds in the atmosphere.
So now that I have reached my end point, I am just going to secure this braid with a rubber band, and I'm going to set it with some mousse. Any brand of mousse will do, it doesn't matter. But now that I'm done with baby boy, I am going to sit him under the dryer for about 15 minutes, and he's done for the day. So he is ready for the zoo, and now it's time to work on baby girl. See, I probably forgot that I told you it's a 2-for-1. You guys are getting 2 tutorials today, and so here we go. Now today we're going to do something that I've never done before. We're going to do like traditional flat twists on her locks. I saw someone do this on Instagram, and I wish that I had the video. I thought I saved it, but I did not. If I do find it, I will have it listed in the description box. But anyway, we're going to begin this flat twist. Now, I never was good at flat twisting my hair, but we're still going to try. And so I'm just going to add that locking gel into her roots. Then I'm going to take my little comb just to comb it through and begin the flat twist. Now I started off by doing like a palm roll situation because I wasn't sure how to do it with the locks, and yeah. So I'm just experimenting at this moment, just trying to find the correct technique. But then I remember the key to flat twist is tucking, so you kind of want to roll and tuck, and I'm going to show you guys. So again, I'm just going to apply that locking gel, and it's kind of difficult with long nails, but you just want to tuck the hair as you roll it, and then boom, you got a flat twist. So you want to keep on twisting until you reach your end point, and then you want to take a lock and just wrap it around the end of that flat twist, and then you want to secure it with a rubber band. That way the flat twist doesn't unravel. But this is what it looks like once you're all done, and so I'm just going to move on to the next part. So again, you want to take that roll and begin tucking and rolling the hair until you create your flat twist. So keep repeating those steps over and over and over again until you reach your end point. Once you make it to the end, you just want to take your last lock and wrap it around that flat twist, then secure it with a rubber band so it doesn't unravel. But this is pretty much it. What I'm about to do next is finish the rest of her hair off camera and come back with the finished look. Okay, I'm super proud of myself because this is not bad for my first time doing flat twists on locks. Okay, I'm super proud of myself. But of course, we're going to set this style. I'm going to grab my mousse. Of course, you could use any brand of mousse. It does not matter. But I'm just going to slather that on her locks. Allow her to sit under the dryer for about 15 minutes and get ready for the zoo tomorrow. And here we are the next day. So we are right outside the zoo. But I just wanted to show you guys the finished results. I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. If you guys did, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at @AsToldByBrittany D. But you guys already know the drill. That is it for me. Until next time, until we meet again, until we're back on YouTube, watch another crazy video, man. Bye-bye.